Hello everyone, welcome to the second episode of technical tutorials on software tools for Panasonic TOUGHBOOK Android devices. Today I will be explaining about Panasonic Rapid Configuration tool, which is one of the tools in Productivity Plus software platform that allows you to configure and deploy Panasonic Android devices. Panasonic Rapid Configuration is a staging tool for IT managers or end users of Panasonic Android devices. It is used to configure initial settings and application installs to minimize customer time and effort for their device deployment. The Rapid Configuration and Staging tool allows the users to configure system settings. These settings include, but are not limited to, Wi-Fi profiles, time settings, user button management, enable or disable system components, and the configuration of other system settings. It works with MDM or independently. The configuration file can be pushed to a device by scanning barcode, MDM, ADB commands, or by NFC bump using a master device. Now let's take a look at the PaRC Tools PC version. This can be installed in a PC. The app is pre-installed in the Android device, and this screen shows the version of the PaRC tool. You can click on new profile in order to put different settings, configurations. Like you can see here, Wi-Fi. You can put different settings for the Wi-Fi, for APN, and for mobile network. Under user buttons, you can configure the hardware buttons which is present in the device. You need to put different modes corresponding to different use case. And there is barcode to import different barcode profiles. Hardware control, this is to control different hardware settings in the device. And there are other settings like language, volume, sound and notification, display, touchscreen mode. This will help to select different touchscreen modes in the device. Then under system, you have this command where you can enter Panasonic intents in order to run different applications. Under security, you have these permission settings. Under staging, you can select enterprise reset versus factory reset. Then there is apps where you can whitelist or backlist different applications. And MDM kiosk mode, this is to select different user interfaces in the device. And then under storage, this is where you can select the location for a file. So now I'm going to use the PaRC tool to configure a device. So device on the right side is TOUGHBOOK A3. So under user button manager, you see the left and right side button are set to do nothing. So I'm going to enable them to trigger barcode reader. Then I will be disabling the resend and the back button, and also I am going to remove restart from the power menu. And also by pressing A3, I would like to trigger the menu. So I entered the required modes. Here I am entering number 17 for barcode reader. These numbers you can get it from the manual. I just entered for the short and the long press. Then under power off menu, I hit the restart, and then under UI menu, I'm going to hide the resend and the back button. So when I press the barcode, you see this QR code. This you can use to scan, and also you can save the SQL file as a settings.tv file. This can be used through an MDM. So now I'm going to open the Panasonic Rapid Configuration tool in the device, press staging, scan this QR code, and once this is scanned, you will see a message on the device. It says kitting is done. So now we go back to the user button manager, and you see the left and right side button are set for barcode scanner, and the back and the resend button are also not working right now. I just did a shutdown of the screen and then resumed it. Now you can see the restart option is gone from the power menu, and also the back and the resend button are gone. So I hope this session was useful. The description below has the link to download the PaRC tool. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me in the contact description mentioned below. If you like the video, please do press like or subscribe button. Thank you, and I look forward to see you in the next one.